Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is Throwback Thursday and we're going to use elements from the September 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit, these lovely gold foil leaves, to add to our elements from the January 2024 kit. So I've got one of the card bases that I cut down to 5 1/4 by 4. I've got a Highland Heather card base, and that can pop right on there like that. I'm going to use one of the tags, and I'm going to have it up that way. I'm going to use one of these greeting tabs, and I need my stamp set. I don't have it out yet. I'm going to use just a little something for you. Let's just grab out a block and pop that on there like that. Okay. And we're just going to build this up, and we're going to use one of the big stands of lavender. So what I want to do, first thing I'm going to do is stamp the greeting onto this, and I'm just going to pull it a little bit closer to me so that I can line this up. And here we go. Just a little something for you. And then I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to dip it into the edge, and I'm just going to add some color around the edge of the tag. It seems a bit of a pity to, cover up that beautiful tag, but I'm not going to have a lot of use for that tag. I'm going to save one out. But to me, I will get more use out of it this way. So we put that down like that. I'm also going to do the same thing to the greeting. Now, back in the day when we had linen ink pads, we used to just drag the edges through the ink pad. But now that they're made of foam, we can't do that because we'll damage the ink pad. So we've got that done. And this is going to be dimensionalized. So I'm going to pop a couple of dimensionals on it right now, like this. And I know that this is going to go about here, but it's going to go up this way. Oh, we haven't attached that down yet. Look at me saying we can put that down and then not doing it. So we're just going to add some adhesive. Oops. Pop this down. And I'm just going to line it up along like I normally do. Make sure we've got good distance. There we go. And then this, we could dimensionalize this as well, but we're not going to in this case. I'm just going to add a couple of lines of adhesive, and it is going to sit in the middle, but a little bit more towards the top. That will sit like that. And then I'm going to add, a little bit of adhesive, but not a lot. I think I'm going to use my adhesive dots for this. So just going to pop some adhesive dots. This works so much better than fingers doing it this way. But when we just have the kit, I like to use just what is in the kit and not use more than what's in the kit. And then we're just going to peel these off, put them off to the side. Oops. And there we go. And then this is going to pop down like this. And then this is going to go over top like this. And the greeting will cover up some of the bottom like that. So this is going to go like this, and maybe I will dimensionalize some of the flowers on this. So I'm just going to pop a small dimensional in there, and that will give it some kind of little bit of depth without too much bulk. So let's just peel the backing off the dimensionals first. I really am excited to build this card. I'm just way ahead of myself here. Okay, so we're just going to put this down like that, and then our dimensionalized pieces will stand up a little bit, and then I'm going to add another of the gold leaves here. So let's just add some glue dots to those, like that. And let's put another one over here. Okay, and then I like having that tag with the white side up in the background because it really shows off the beautiful florals. And then we're just going to pop this over the bottom like this, so we're even-ish. Pop that down, make sure I'm straight. There we go. And I'm going to add some of the purple fine shimmer gems. I'm going to put some of the Highland Heather ones on. You could use the Gorgeous Grape ones too. Just add some of these in, just to fill up a little bit of that white space. I'm going to pop one there like that. So I really quite like that. You could push it down a little bit if you wanted to, but I wanted to leave a little bit of this beautiful background at the bottom. So thank you so much for watching this Throwback Thursday alternate using elements from Paper Pumpkin kits from January and from September 2023. Thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.